Hello, teacher.
Okay. What happened? All right. Okay. So,
She's
mm,
a link in Zalo, but it's not working.
oh my, oh my. Okay, but don't worry about it. I pinned the Zoom meeting passcode. Okay, please do not forget. All right. Okay. Yes. Do you
Hi, teacher.
understand, Bao-an? Don't forget the Zoom meeting passcode and ID, right? This is what you will always use. All right? Okay? Do you understand? All right. Okay. So let's continue, Bao-an. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm ready. Okay, so now let's continue with the next page. All right. Okay, so in here we are going to match each word with its correct definition.
I
Bao-an, do
know.
you know what definition means? Definition means
It's the same meaning.
the meaning. Okay, the meaning of a word. Okay,
Of a
Bao-an?
word.
Yay. What the word means, the meaning of a word. Okay, all right. Yes. Okay, please wait. Wait a minute. Okay, but I will check. I will check your work now. Okay, number one,
From
live. It
B.
means to have life.
Means to have
Good.
life.
To have life.
Here, close
Here.
is close to.
Close to.
Red
Yeah.
water that
Rain.
falls from the sky.
Falls from the sky, the water. Okay, and number four, only.
And number four only is
It
enough
means and
more.
nothing more. Awesome. Bravo, Belen. Yay. Good boy. All right. Okay, so do you understand the meaning of these words, the definition? Yes,
Yes,
right?
I understand it.
Okay, so now we know, now that you have learned a few words, you can use them in a sentence, in your sentences, Bao-an. All right? Okay? Yes? Yes. Okay, so that's it, Bao-an. That was very quick. That was fast. Okay, teacher will now move on to the next page. I have to move the page, Bao-an. I'm so sorry. Okay, don't worry. I will do it for you. Okay? So life means to have life, or live
Yeah,
means to have life.
and
Here means
close
close
to.
to. Rain means water that
This is
falls from the
nothing.
sky. And
This
only
water that falls
means,
from the sky. And
yeah,
that four is
nothing, nothing
more.
more. All right. Okay, don't forget that one. All right, so now let's have the next activity. It's word practice 2. Find a word that has the opposite, opposite meaning. Okay, Bao-an. All
I
right,
know.
you know.
It's hot. We
Hot,
choose cold.
but cold, right? Okay. So when you say opposite, it means the contrary. Okay. The other way. All right. Bao-an, right? Mhm. It's the reverse. Okay.
Hot and cold.
Mhm. Cold, right?
It
Okay.
is small.
Big. You were right. Okay. So in here, we're going to learn about antonyms. Bao-an. Okay. We're going to learn about antonyms. Okay.
Intimate.
Antonyms. Do you know antonym? Bao-an? Do you know what antonyms are? Okay. Antonyms means the opposite of a word. Okay? A word of opposite meaning. Okay?
I know.
I know. That's good if you know. One more time.
And hot.
Yes, yes, that's right. Cold, hot. Okay, but we have to read first. Okay, can you read for me, Bao An? Please read. Number 1, the desert
The
is.
desert is a very hot and dry place.
Okay,
Hot
the hot,
is cold.
cold. Okay, you can say it this way. The opposite
The opposite is
of the word
of the
hot
word
is
hot is cold.
cold. Yay! The opposite of the word hot is cold.
Cold.
Bravo, Balan. Yay! I can't help myself but clap. I like clapping my hands for you because you're good. You're amazing. Okay, next. How about number 2, Balan? Where is the biggest desert in the world? The underlined word is biggest. What is the opposite of this word? Smallest, right? Oh,
Opposite of the word biggest is smallest.
smallest. Yay! Correct, Baoan. What about some other words like wet? What is the opposite of wet, Baoan?
Opposite of wet
Mm-hmm. Is, do you know? If you don't know, teacher will tell you.
wet. I know, but I don't
Can't
know.
remember.
meaning.
Can't remember. Teacher will tell you now. Ready?
Don't know meaning of
Mm-mm.
wet.
Wet. Okay. Wet is, it means like, how can I say? Not dry. Okay. Wet means not dry with water. Okay. Wet means with water. Do you understand? Yeah. Wet means with water. Okay. Don't worry. Teacher will help you. Let's translate. Okay. Is it right? Baoan? Mhm. Is it right? Wet
I wet.
and dry.
I wet.
Dry and wet. Okay. Understand, Baoan?
What? What?
Okay. Is it right? I don't know. I don't know if the translation is right, but do you
I
understand?
that means, but I don't know that.
I don't know that. I'm so sorry if the translation is wrong. But do you understand the word wet now? Yes?
Yes, I know.
Yes. Okay. These are the synonymous words. Wet,
I wet. I wet.
moist, down. Okay. Do you understand, Baoan?
I wet it with water.
Water. Yes, with water. That is what it means. Wet means with water. Right? Okay. Good. Did you get it? Yes, Baoan?
Yes, I know it.
Yes. Okay. So what is the opposite of wet? The
It's
opposite of wet is
dry.
dry. Very good. What about the word small? What is the opposite of small?
It's opposite.
Of
The opposite
small
of the
is,
word small is
the word
big.
small is big. Hey, all right. Next, let's have number 2. Can you read, Bao and where?
When it's the biggest desert in the world.
All
The
right.
opposite of the word biggest
It's
is smallest.
smallest. Yay. Okay. How about the word thinnest. What is the opposite of thinnest?
Thinnest.
Mm-mm. Do you know?
Lightest.
If you don't know, it's okay. Teacher will tell you.
Hmm.
Ba, ba, ba.
I know thin. It's
Thin. Thin,
I
like,
know thin.
yes, just like that. Skinny, thin, like that. Okay, opposite. The opposite of the word thin is yes, right? Mm-hmm.
And it's
Fat. Like my name, Teacher Fat,
it's
right?
this.
Teacher Fat, that is my name. But I hope I'm not fat. Okay, fattest. Thinnest,
It's quiet.
fattest.
Quiet.
Yeah, fattest. Right.
Loud.
Okay.
Loudest. It's quietest.
Mm-hmm.
Loud.
Yes.
The
Loud
opposite of the word loud is
is
quiet. So
quiet. So,
loudest is quietest.
quietest. Amazing. Quietest. All right. Yeah,
Quietest.
loudest, quietest. Okay. What about largest?
Uh, largest like big.
Mhm. Big, yes. Large means big.
um, With largest.
One more time.
Like
Large means big. Yeah, large,
largest.
small.
Large
Large, small. Yeah. So
as
the
the
opposite
opposite
of
of the
largest
word
is
largest is smallest.
smallest. This one right here. Right? Yeah. Largest, smallest. Smallest,
Largest
biggest, or
and largest.
largest. Right? Bawan?
Yes,
Yay! Bravo, Bawan. You're really good. All right. Okay. Can you now read your answers, Bawan? Number one, the desert
desert
is.
very hot and breathless.
Yeah.
I choose C. Cold.
Cold. Right. Oh, can you say Bawan? Place, not plus.
Yes,
Place.
plus.
Uh,
A plus.
place. Like long A. Place.
Plus.
A. Say A. Place.
Plus.
Place. Yes. Because you
Plus.
said
A
plus,
plus.
not what? Airplane. Air. Airplace. Air, airplace. I guess it's a. You mean airplane? Airplane, like plane, like in the sky. All right. For example,
Uh,
fireplace, like that. You know, fireplace. Fireplace. They both have long A. Airplane, plane, plane.
I
Can you repeat bow and say place,
plus.
place, place?
Plus.
You just say plus, no plus, no.
Plus.
It's place. Can you say
A.
a,
Plus.
place? Yes.
Uh,
Right.
I
Can you
want to
repeat one last time? Place.
plus.
All right. Okay. Much better. And number two, please read bow and where?
Where is the biggest desert in the world?
Yeah, the opposite of
I choose.
biggest
I choose
is
D. Smallest. The smallest.
smallest. Yes. All right. Bow and yay. Bravo, bow and. Did you understand? All right.
Yes, I
Okay.
understand.
Yes. Okay. We have a few minutes left. Let us move on to the next activity. Where are you, baby? Come
Airport,
here.
airport, not
Mm.
airplanes.
Airport. Okay. Airport. Mm. Airport. Okay, I see, Bao. And all right, let's hurry now. Let's try
Airport,
number one
not
of reading.
airplane.
One more time.
It's airport, not
Airport.
airplane.
Ah, yes, yeah. Same, yes. Same first syllable. Okay, let's do number one. Bao and what is the main topic of the passage? Is it A, B, or C? The main idea, the main topic. You start with,
It's-
can you choose a letter? Choose an
I
answer.
choose, I
I
choose,
choose, sorry, try again.
I choose C.
Letter C.
I
E,
choose letter C.
E, not right.
Why? But it has problem with live
Mm,
near Sarah.
okay. But Bawan, we're looking for the main topic. Main topic, right? Try again,
What is
Bawan.
the topic of
Try again.
I choose
I
B.
ch-
I choose letter B. I choose letter B.
Yes, that is right. The main topic of the passage is
But in
the
countries don't but I
Mhm.
see in countries don't have don't say the Sarah is the
Okay, but the answer is B. Okay, all right. Yeah, but good try, good try. It's okay, Bao and but the answer is B. The Sahara
but
is the world's largest. Mhm,
I
mhm.
think I can't fall in question 2 because it's too
Mm.
easy.
Ah,
I choose letter C.
letter C. Okay, so let me ask first, what is the weather like in the desert? It's
It's
hot
hot
because it's very easy. And last, number
and it's
three.
very dry.
Okay, number three, Bawan, which continent has the
Countries
biggest
have
desert
the
in the
biggest
world?
desert in the world. It's
Yeah, Af Africa.
Africa.
Yeah, has the biggest desert in the
Desert in the world.
world. Right. Okay, let us now read your answers. Bawan, number one, what is the main topic of the passage? Please read. The main,
I choose letter B. The
yeah,
Sahara is the world's largest
largest
dry and hot desert.
desert. Oh, you answer in a sentence. The main topic of the passage is okay,
It's the Sahara is world's largest dry and hot desert.
desert. Okay, number two. What is the weather like in the desert?
It's hot.
Hot
The
and
weather like in the desert is hot.
hot. Right. And number three, which continent has the biggest desert in the world?
The countries, the
Africa.
continent has the biggest desert in the world is
Uh,
Africa.
or Africa has the biggest desert. Okay.
Desert in the
All
world.
right. Just say Africa right here. Okay. And all right. Did you understand our lesson, Bauen? Yes? Did you understand the activities
Understand?
and the lesson? Okay, say teacher. Yes, I did. Yes,
Yes,
I
I did.
did. All right. Okay, very good. This is for you, Bauen. Good boy. Oops. Very good boy. Wonderful job, Pauan. Let me clap my hands. All right. Okay. So, Pauan, our time is over. We are just going to continue our lesson next week. On Saturday, we will study the next page of our book. Okay. So we will answer a few more questions about our story, deserts. Okay, Pauan? All right. Okay, but for now, I have to go, Pauan. You did great. You did well in answering the questions and in reading. Just remember my corrections for you, okay? The pronunciation of the word lace. Right, Pauan? Yes? Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Okay, gotta go, Pauan. Talk to you. See you next Saturday. Have a good night. Happy weekend. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, say happy weekend,
See you.
teacher. Happy week.
See
Happy
you
weekend,
in
teacher.
Saturday.
See you on Saturday. See you, Bowen. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.